Hello friends, this is Arun and without wasting more time into introduction, let's start with a new video. Today we are going to talk about top 5 IT careers for 2026 which will pay you high salary with minimal coding requirement. So let's see all these 5 technologies or skill set where you can make your career and you can move ahead in 2026. So let's discuss about first skill set, that is data analysis and business analytics. So if we talk about data analysis and business analytics career in 2026, it's on high demand. So what is data analysis? Data analysis is like turning the raw data into insights using tools like SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI or Tableau. What exactly they do with these tools? They use to help organizations to understand trend, patterns and outcomes from the data. So basically they make like easy way of understanding of the data with some charts or excels using the tools like that. And if we talk about the business analytics, they focus more on solving the business problems using data, making strategy decisions and improving operations. It blends data skills with business knowledge. And industries like IT, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, manufacturing, consulting, and telecom are actively hiring analytics professionals. As companies use more AI, machine learning, and predictive models, the need for analysts continue to grow their organizations. So the career roles which we can adopt with this skill set, so that is like data analyst, business analyst, or business intelligence analyst. If we talk about the salaries that is in India, so that starts from 6 LPA to 15 LPA in between that. And if we talk about someone working in the US, so they can think about the salary that is like 60K to 110K US dollars, that is per annum. And we can do some certifications which is like Google Data Analytics certificate, or we can do some courses like Excel plus Power BI plus Tableau. So if you do the combination of these courses, so that would be plus point to get like higher packages. And business analyst specializations, so after doing certificate and courses you can become an IT consultant with minimal coding requirement. Let's move to other skill set, that is cybersecurity, which requires no coding. Cybersecurity remains one of the fastest growing and most critical career fields in 2026 as cyber threats is going on. Data breaches, ransomware, and AI driven attacks continue to rise. Organizations across IT, banking, healthcare, common sector, cloud securities, and e-commerce rely heavily on skilled professionals to protect their digital systems and data. And it's very high global demand with a continued shortage of skilled professionals. It has strong job security and long-term career stability. And the roles which we can do under this skill set, that is cybersecurity analyst, associate analyst, that is like security operations center analyst, ethical hacker and penetration tester, cloud security engineer, network security engineer, security consultant or CISO, that is like on senior level if you can do. So this skill set also does not require any coding, so where you can like start your career without coding and become an IT consultant. Talk about the initial packages, so that start from 7 to 20 LP, that is in India. And if you're working in US, you can start your career with 70K to 130K, so that is depending on your experience in US. And you can do some certification, that is Comsec security and certified ethical hacker, cybersecurity analyst. So these are the courses which can make you an IT consultant. Let's move to other skill set and talk about it. So that is cloud administration and support career. So cloud administrator and support engineers play a key role in managing, monitoring and supporting cloud infrastructure as organizations continue moving from one premise system to AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. So we call in short way like AWS, Azure and GCP. So these are the three clouds from the three different companies. In 2026, cloud skills remain highly relevant and in demand across almost every industry. So if we talk about the demand and opportunities, strong demand due to widespread cloud adoption and hybrid multi-cloud environment. It needed in IT services, startups, enterprises, government, healthcare and finance sector. Entry-friendly roles with clear growth path into advanced cloud and DevOps positions. So the roles which you can do under this skill set, that is cloud administrator, cloud support engineer, cloud operations engineer, system administrator, site reliability engineers. So these are the roles which you can focus in 2026 if you want to become an IT consultant with minimal coding or without coding. Because in AWS or like is cloud administration, there is no requirement of the coding. But if you are going to just have some Python scripting, so that is used to automate the scripts, and for the automation purpose you have to just do some coding. Talk about the salaries. So salaries start from 8 LPA to 18 LPA. In between that you can get, that is in India. And if you're working in US, so you can start your salary that is from 75,000 USD to 135k USD, depends on your experience. Certifications which you can do is like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Azure Administrator, Google Cloud Associate Engineer. So these are the certifications which you can do and start your career as an IT consultant. Now let's move to the other skill set, which is product management and UI UX designer. This is very high demanding role for the customers. So every organization is having product manager. So in 2026, product managers and UI UX designers are central to building successful digital products as companies focus on user-centric design, rapid innovation, and AI-powered products across tech, fintech, SaaS, e-commerce, and startups. So the demand and opportunities are very high. Strong demand driven by digital transformation, mobile applications, SaaS platforms, like SaaS is like software as a service platforms, and AI products. Companies values professionals who can combine business goals, technology, and user experience. So if we can talk about the roles which you can do under this skill set is associate product manager, senior product manager, product owner, and head of product. So depends on the like your experience. So if we talk about the UI UX design, the roles which you can do is like UI designer, UX designer, UX researcher, product designer, or design lead. So this totally depends on your experience. Product management skills requires product strategy, market research, roadmap planning, agile scrum, stakeholder communication, data-driven decision making. Where UI UX designer do user research, wireframing, prototyping, usability testing, visual designs, and they use the tools like Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, Jira, Confluence. So these are the tools for the UI UX designers. So these 5 skill set are like in high demand in 2026, where you can make your career. If you don't like much coding, then you can start your career with these 5 skill set or technologies in 2026. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe so that I can make more videos for you.